Hello friends, now we have completed the discussion of present continuous, simple present, present perfect continuous, simple past, past continuous. 6 tenses. We have just 6 more tenses. Now it's very easy because you know the way the programming. When you study a tense, you start with the form, then distribution you can distribute it only to 6 persons. So 3 singular and 3 plural. I think now you are very thorough with it. And then negative, yes or no question, W is question, passive and uses. So this is a very systematic. Any tense you take and then do this. According to this program, it will become very easy and you will never forget these things. Alright, so today we begin like this. Our past perfect tense form. It's a very simple tense. The form is had plus past participle. That's all. Or V3. In some books is a V3, means third form of the verb. The form will be, suppose it is eat, then had, eaten, that's all. Only one form. And distribution same for all. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. You know what are these now? Had been, had eaten, had talked, had looked, etc. So I had looked, or I had eaten, you had eaten, he had eaten, she had eaten, it had eaten, we had eaten, you had eaten, they had eaten. Nothing. Not like the present tense or present continuous and past continuous and so on. You remember, no? I was, he was, we were, they were, I am, you are, he is, she is. No such complication, nothing. And the negative is, you know how to make the negative. If you have got 2 parts, insert not between the parts. So you have got like this. I had not eaten, had not talked, had not looked, had not. So in between, insert not in between. And the short form, contracted form, had, didn't, hadn't, negative. So all the 3 aspects of this tense is over. That is, form is had plus past participle. Any verb. Had eaten, had sung, had drunk, had swum, had looked, had run, had jumped, had walked, had read, had sung, had drunk. I, he, who, she, everything is the same. That means all the 6 places. 1, 2, now this is 3, 4, 5, 6. This is first person singular, second person singular, third person singular, third person singular, third person singular, masculine, feminine, neutral. We, first person plural, you, second person plural, they, third person plural, or man and woman, monkeys, dogs, trees. That's very simple. The tense is very simple and it is becoming more, I think it's more attractive also. Because when it is simple, it becomes very attractive. Now, what I would suggest is that you make at least some 50 sentences in this tense and read them aloud. Told you, step 1 for fluency is read aloud. Read aloud. Okay. So for our information, you and me, we will make say 10 or 15 sentences in this. For example, you can say, I had I had written, okay. I had written, you had written. You can take this paradigm, this is a table. He had written, she had written, it had written. That is not possible, but we are just writing. Boy had written, girl had written. You can write written a story like that. Anything you can write. Story, a novel and all those things. Man had written, woman had written, then we had written, you had, plural, had written, they had written, boys had written, and so on. Go on making sentences like this. And then there is no question of any distribution because there is only one form. For all the subjects, you can use had plus past participle. Understand? And not. You can make it negative like this. Not, had not written, she had not written, he had not written, it had not written, and so on. Boys had not written, they had not written, you had not written. So make 100 sentences like this. Or he had jumped, she had jumped, monkey had jumped, the squirrel had jumped, had not jumped, had not jumped, had not jumped. Then you go to a place of your liking, a park, or a lonely place, or in your room, or in the classroom. All of you together can shout out these sentences. I had walked, you had walked, they had walked. Best way to learn English and also acquire fluency. Okay? So you do this. Tomorrow you will do yes or no question. Tomorrow you will do an exercise form. Exercise based on for form. So for a form means, I will show you an example will be given here. You can see that. Suppose you get a sentence like this. The boy broke a glass. Now you have to rewrite this in that past perfect. So how do you say? The boy had broken a glass. So this will be the exercise that we'll be doing tomorrow. So that you get thorough with the form. Okay? You can do it now. And you can do 1 or 2 exercises, 50 sentences in advance. So that you get all this. You take few sentences in simple present, simple past, present continuous, past continuous, see that? And present perfect, etc. And then start converting this. Then you will see how these tenses are connected. Understand? That's very important. And also this question making and so on. They are not separate sentences, but they are, as I always said, they are transforms of the same simple sentence. All what you do is, you move the positions of the words in that sentence. Then you will be yes or no question. Then you will Then you will get the WH question. Also you will get the passive. Understand? Hope that you are following, you are enjoying. Bye. Have a nice day.